favorite cat
Okay. I
just
think,
died, so a little bit upset, but
yeah.
that's life.
Okay.
I want to ask you, I want to understand this Google Tag Manager, what we can do in the future with the information collected, because I believe we do not only collect, we need to do something with that data. No?
Yes. Okay.
Good.
I will explain you about it. No problem. I'm here. So I am sharing my computer to you. So
Okay.
you can see it. Oh, I think we need to also verify this domain. So right, theme editor.
But if the team will make an update,
Okay.
if we edit, the edit is will remain the same, even if the team makes an update? Yes?
Yeah. Okay. Basically, Google Tag Manager. Google Tag Manager is a data passing system for their marketing, remarketing, and user behavior tracking to use on Google Ads, Facebook Ads, TikTok Ads. First, we need to understand. Okay, give me 1 minute for I'm trying to add you this domain. I'm trying to
Okay.
add domain in this book.
Okay. Yes.
So it is very helpful for you. Yeah. Fine. Yeah, this domain is verified successfully. Basically, it was not part of my work, but I can see it, so I did. No problem, because it is. I will do everything.
Thank you.
Need something better for the marketing or remarketing. So you can look on your Google Tag Manager. This is Google Tag Manager, and I'm also
Yes.
the Google Analytics. Okay, fine. Basically, you want to know how it works, Google Tag Manager, or what is the benefit, or how to pass this customer, not only track this data,
Yes.
how to use this data on Google Ads, or am I right?
Yes. 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 You're
Okay.
right.
I'm going
This is what I need to know.
Yeah, okay. I'm going to explain you whatever how to. work. Basically, this is our Google Analytics. It is an analytics platform for the product, website, service, etc. So before we need to set up, we just ensure how it's work or how important for us. Basically, it is a reporting platform, and we are able to find and we are able to take a decision from here. Basically, I set up everything, and also after the setup, I created this conversion audience data filtering enable, and I cannot able to link the Google Ads. Okay, no problem. I will do it by you. So it is the basic settings of Google Analytics. I mean, it is here. So, and our reporting, everything is fine. And this is the view of analytics or etc. whatever. And data everything is fine. So the point is how it's work. Google Tag Manager is a tag management
Yes.
where you are able to management our everything like Facebook Pixel, Google Analytics, Google Ads conversion taking, Google Ads remarketing, TikTok ads, TikTok Pixel, Snapchat Pixel, and Pinterest, everything what you need. Like I'm on Google
Everything.
Analytics and I take it and you're able to find here Google Analytics, Google Ads, Flood, Light, Google Tag, Conversion Linker, Custom, Facebook, whatever you need, whatever. Just you can go here and like I'm going to here. There's a new tag. We need to set up. So I here find my I'm trying to find my targeted pixel or audience reporting system. So basically I'm search here.
Okay.
You can see TikTok. We find
Yes.
everything what you need. Google Tag Manager, you understand it is a tag management platform when we need to track any kind of data for remarketing and their ads campaign. That's it. This is the point, and we are able to track it from here and how to use this data. Okay, so now question basically you understand you are in know now
Yes.
what Google Tag Manager. So I will explain you how to use this audience, how to use this tracking for the other platform like ads and everything. That's why I'm came back from here and I'm going to Google Analytics. So basically, I need to go to your Google Ads account now. I think I have ad account access because we were at work. You want me trying to find it. Yes, I'm in. Okay, fine. Fine. Yes, I share my computer. I came back in analytics. Just taking reload and also I'm opening the pixel. This is trying. Okay. Google Ads account is open. So I'm going to the setups and then billing, setup measurement, and examples, properties, audience manager. You're able to find here audience manager. Through Google, through Google Analytics, we are able to set up audience for Google Ads in this section. And basically, I cannot able to link this Google Analytics to ad account because I'm not the owner of this ad account, so I cannot do it. But I will do it by using access your computer. No problem. But you just understand how it's work.
Okay.
what is the process? It's taking the load. Yeah, it is automatic data reporting from Google Analytics website. It is you able to find everything here. It's so easy like that. I'm clicking the plus button and YouTube Google Analytics. You can see a button of Google Analytics.
Oh,
Here, yeah, this data will be converted in Google Ads. This is the point. In the same way, when we use the Google Facebook ads, Facebook ads, we are able to find this data or we are able to use this data using this pixel in Facebook ads. This is the same point. And also, you know the remarketing I set up for you. User-defined remarketing that's called enhance e-commerce, enhance Google Ads conversion tracking. I did already for you. So everything is fine. You can share your computer screen. I will link up this analytics to,
okay. And
yeah, I made you host.
if we want to start, if we want to start uh, one ad on Facebook, let's say, right now, how can we use data? We use data only after Google collects more and more and more and more.
Yes, that means when we run the Facebook ads, we need to this pixel. What do we set up? We need to using this pixel collect the all data. First of all, it is a we need to think about it. First of all, it is a new website, so we need to make sure our website is landing on our website and viewing the product, getting some action like a to cart checkout purchase, then we able to track data again as remarketing. And this phase of pixel will help us to do it. Okay, I am request to complete.
Okay.
You can allow me.
Yes, of course.
Okay, thank you.
You can switch to English if you want.
Okay, but I'm trying to with this system, but no problem. Really, I know this settings, so it is not hard for me.
Yes, I see.
Yeah, this is our Google account. Just we highlight our take mark and then it will be confirmed and this data will be automatically linked to Google Ads.
I believe what we did is a powerful tool.
Yeah, it is so powerful. Yeah, when I click on the fan, that's mean Google Analytics and Google Ads will be join a relationship like importance meeting with this data analytics to Google Ads. Okay, I just confirm it. Mm. Okay, that's when it is active. It is showing is activated and it's fine. Yeah, this
Good.
basically that was the points. And we able to also take a decision using the reports and explore. When we click the explore, we able to make a custom report like whatever you need. But as a starting time, we don't need it. But when we get a lots of data, we able to take exploration for our website user engagement understanding, user behavior tracking. This is the point.
Did you work for Google in the past? Because you are really good.